Hey people, it's Fluffy Master 33, and I'm gonna be playing White Noise. It's a game that my friends have been telling me to play on Xbox, so I'm gonna give it a try. They said to turn the lights out and turn the volume up. I want to make sure you guys can hear that. Oh God. Okay then. No. I can barely even see.
Just to tell everybody he's screwed.
Yeah. And I'm sorry if I die like right away. It's my first time playing this.
He's not that good.
I've never played it.
I know.
Hey, later I might upload a video of me playing Slender on my iPhone.
That's too little.
It'll work. Or we can record with my iPhone and I can play it on that.
I'm just gonna look on the iPad. It's less
Oh
scary.
God. I can run. Huh. I'm gonna die. What was that? Shut up.
Oh, it's 1 of 8. 7 more.
I'm scared.
I'm trying not to look at the TV.
Anything behind me? Please, please, please. No, no. Okay.
If you want to survive, just don't look back. Don't look back. Oh, frick.
Oh, what's that thing? What is it? Oh my God!
Run, get away. You're getting closer. You're stupid. What is that?
Work. I'm gonna go.
Don't. Oh, God, I'm watching.
Please don't be right outside. Okay, we're good. Please don't be around the corner. Okay, we're good. What was that? I'm scared, bro.
Stop looking at the screen. Watch the TV. Watch the TV.
I want to make sure they can see it.
Oh!